In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to body effect in CapCut. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along whether you're using CapCut on the web or on the mobile app. Start by opening CapCut. On a computer, head to the official CapCut website and launch the editor. On a phone or tablet, just open the app. The interface looks slightly different across devices, but the options we need are in the same general places. Create a new project. When the canvas options appear, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. This vertical format is ideal for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Picking the aspect ratio up front helps you avoid reframing later and makes your effects line up correctly on a vertical screen. Next, add your video. Import a clip that has a person clearly visible. Body effects work best when the subject is well lit and not heavily obstructed. On desktop, you can drag and drop your file into the media area or use the upload button. On mobile, tap to add from your camera roll. Once the clip is on the timeline, give it a quick play to confirm everything looks and sounds right. Now open the effects panel. You'll usually find effects in the left sidebar or bottom toolbar, depending on your device. This area contains visual effects you can layer onto your footage. We'll focus specifically on the category designed to recognize people in your video. Inside effects, select body effects. These are effects that detect the human figure and apply visual treatments that follow the subject. Because they rely on detection, good contrast, and a clear silhouette make a big difference. If your subject is moving quickly or there are multiple people, don't worry. Most body effects still do a solid job, but a single clear subject often tracks most accurately. Browse through the options and try any body effect you like. Tap or click one to preview, then apply it to your clip. After applying, look for adjustment controls such as intensity, glow, color, or size. These let you fine-tune the look so it matches your style. If the effect appears for too long or too short, trim the effect layer on the timeline to set the exact in and out points. You can also move the playhead to the moment you want the effect to begin before you apply it, which helps you position it precisely. If tracking seems off, try a different effect or adjust your clip to a frame where the subject is clearer, then reapply. That's it. You've opened CapCut, set a 9:16 project, added your video, gone into effects, selected body effects, and tested the one that fits your edit. With a clear subject and a bit of fine-tuning, body effects can instantly elevate your video.